Ah, bone broth. The magical elixir that your grandma swore could cure everything from a cold to a broken heart. But today we're talking about something a little less glamorous. Bloating and gas. Yep, the stuff that makes you feel like a human balloon. Let's dive into how bone broth can help you deflate. Scientifically speaking, of course. First, let's talk about why you're bloated in the first place. Bloating and gas happen when your digestive system is, well, throwing a tantrum. Maybe you ate too fast, had too much fiber, or your gut bacteria decided to throw a party with the wrong kind of guests. The result? Gas buildup, inflammation, and that oh-so-lovely feeling of tight pants. So, how does bone broth help with bloating and gas? Let's break it down. First up, collagen and gelatin. These are like spackle for your gut lining. If your digestive system is inflamed or leaky, yes, leaky gut is a real thing. These proteins help patch things up. A healthier gut lining means less inflammation and fewer digestive issues. Next, we've got glycine, an amino acid that helps your body produce stomach acid. Fun fact, low stomach acid is a sneaky cause of bloating because it makes it harder to break down food. Glycine says, "Not on my watch," and gets your digestion back on track. And let's not forget the electrolytes, like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These help keep your digestive muscles working smoothly, so food doesn't get stuck in traffic, if you know what I mean. Pro tip, make your own bone broth at home for maximum benefits. Or, if you're short on time, grab a high-quality store-bought version. Just make sure it's free of weird additives. I will leave links for brands that I trust and use in the description. So there you have it. Bone broth. The tasty, gut-healing superhero you didn't know you needed. It's like a warm hug for your insides, minus the awkward family reunion vibes. Give it a try, and let me know if your gut starts sending you thank you notes. Or, just stops making embarrassing noises in public. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more science-backed health tips with a side of humor. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a pot of bone broth to finish. Cheers.